a stunning coconut shrimp salad. So the first thing I'm doing is doctoring up some bottled ranch dressing. I'm adding the zest of a lime, which gives it a little bit of kind of fresh tasting zip. And then I'll squeeze in the lime juice. Ooh, that's a juicy lime. And then some cilantro and a little hot sauce. Stir it around. Honestly, it really tastes like you made it yourself. So I'll put aside the dressing and I'm gonna get into the breading of the shrimp. So the assembly line starts with seasoned flour and cornstarch. So it's basically flour, cornstarch, salt, and pepper, very simple. Egg and water mixed together. And then for the coconut, I'm gonna add about a cup of coconut flakes, and this is like the sweetened coconut that you buy in like the baking aisle. And I'll also add a cup of panko crumbs. So it's a coconutty but real crisp topping. I am madly in love with coconut shrimp. So I have a plate of shrimp. They're peeled and deveined, and I'm just gonna kind of squeeze them and open up just a little bit. So the first thing that happens is they go into the cornstarch and flour mixture, shake off the excess, and then it gets dunked into the egg wash, shake it off, and then into the coconut mixture, and that egg wash is just gonna hang on to it, and you wind up with this beautiful coconut-coated shrimp. All right, that's one shrimp. I'm gonna do the exact same thing to the rest of these. Paige, you wanna come help?
Yeah.
Okay, come help. Let's do it. Okay, many hands make light work. Isn't that right, Paige?
Yeah.
Thank you for helping me. That made it go by so fast. So Alex, check out this pretty plate of breaded shrimp. And I've got some vegetable oil that is heated about medium heat. You don't want to get it too hot. And I usually, to make sure it's ready, take a little flake of coconut and drop it in. And when it starts sizzling gently right away, then you know it's time to fry. Of course, you want to fry these in batches. So I'll just add enough to the oil so as not to crowd them, because I want them all to brown evenly and at the same pace. So that's the first batch. So I'm gonna babysit them and kind of move them around, take them out when they're brown, and then I'll keep frying the shrimp, probably in 2 additional batches. And as soon as they hit the oil, you kind of want to start moving them around so they don't gravitate toward each other and wind up in a big shrimpy clump. All right, the shrimp is fried, and just look at this beautiful plate of coconut shrimp. What I love about coconut shrimp is the little shreds of coconut wind up getting a little bit browner than the rest of the breading. And I just think it has a magnificent texture.
It's so nice.
You can almost hear the crunch when you look at it. So I'm gonna build the coconut shrimp salad, which is nothing more than a salad with coconut shrimp on top.
Oh.
So I have a plate of mixed greens. You can also do kale, spinach, whatever your preference. So I've got mini cucumbers and beautifully thin sliced radishes. Amazing. Mango, which I think always goes with shrimp. It's kind of just a little bit of a tropical vibe. Cashews. Love nuts in salad, whether it's almonds or sunflower seeds, anything like that. Put some over here. I love cashews. So you knew I was gonna do this, right?
Oh, baby.
Here goes the fried shrimp. And you can literally just go everywhere with it. It's quite magical, if you ask me. How pretty is this, though?
So pretty.
So pretty.
We might need another mango pile. And the last thing is just a sprinkle of fresh, gorgeous cilantro. And honestly, you know what? The ranch that we made, serve it on the side. But if you wanted to just go ahead and forego the salad altogether.
Just
You
dipping
can use
sauce.
it as a dipping sauce and just serve the shrimp as an appetizer. I love this salad, coconut shrimp salad. I love putting fried things on top of lettuce and calling it a salad. It's my favorite summer activity.